GG-dump memory is a function in the GameGuardian scripting environment, commonly used for memory editing on Android devices. This function is used to dump the memory from a process into a file, which can then be analyzed or modified. The function does take three parameters. Start address and end address define the range of memory that will be dumped. And file path, it is the file path where the memory dump will be saved. This function does not return any value but instead writes the specified memory range to a file at the location you provide. Once you have defined the start and end addresses and the file path, you call the GG-dump memory function with these three parameters. This will dump the specified memory range to the file. After the memory is dumped, you can use the GG-alert function to notify the user that the process is complete and provide the location of the saved file. By analyzing the memory dump, you can gain insights into how an application or game stores and manages data, such as player health, score, or other game states. You can open the binary file in a hex editor or a reverse engineering tool like IDA Pro or Ghidra to examine the contents. This can help in identifying patterns, addresses, or data structures. By dumping memory at different game states, for example, before and after losing health, you can compare the dumps to find addresses that control important values. Once you have identified key memory addresses, you can write scripts that modify these addresses in real time to achieve desired effects. By using GG-dump memory function, you can gain deeper insights into how an application works at a low level, which can be valuable for a variety of purposes, from creating game cheats to understanding software behavior.